I wanted to talk a little bit about a new phone that Lenovo is coming out with. It's called the Z5 Pro GT,
Oh
or
yeah.
Z5 for our American listeners. It's pretty cool. It actually has 12 gigabytes of RAM. Now, this is
Mm,
one of the first phones that's coming out with that much RAM, and that's more than my computer has that I paid almost $2,000 for. That's an
it's a
insane
lot.
amount, and it comes with half a gigabyte, I'm sorry, half a terabyte of storage, so 512
Yeah.
gigabytes of storage,
Yeah.
which again is more than my computer has. That's an insane amount for a phone to have. So why would you
Yeah.
need all that storage? Probably for 2K video. Um,
4K even. There are
yeah,
phones that record in 4K.
yeah.
Samsung's Note 9 with the 512 micro SD card, you can get a terabyte
Oh
on
wow,
your phone. Yeah.
nice. And this is coming out with that new chipset that we talked about last time, the Snapdragon 855.
Yep.
So it's going to be a lot like OnePlus's yet to be named device, but it won't have 5G. So that's why
Nice.
everyone's a little bit disappointed. Like imagine paying for this phone that has, 12 gigabytes of
Yeah.
RAM, half a
Yeah.
terabyte of storage, and then you don't even have 5G.
I thought the Qualcomm 855 was supposed to come with native 5G radios, or they're probably separate radios that are compatible with the
That's probably
855.
it. Because this
Yeah.
phone for sure isn't coming out with 5G. But it sounds to me like the next OnePlus is going to have 5G, and it's using the same chipset, the
Yeah.
855. So listen to this though. You get 6.39 inches of screen,
Nice.
16 megapixel and a 24 megapixel dual rear cameras, and then a
Okay.
6 megapixel and an 8 megapixel front cameras. Get a huge battery, 3,300 milliamps, and then
Nice.
an NFC, dual SIM slots. I mean, it even has
Headphone jack.
probably, yeah.
It says
It's actually pretty
3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Hooray.
cool.
Oh, no, dongle for the US.
Yeah, so I don't think headphone jack. Here's the thing that kind of stinks about it is
Mm,
that it's cool and it stinks. I don't know if you've seen the slider phones before, but you actually slide it open to take a
yes.
picture of a selfie,
Yes,
which is
those are
cool.
cool. Oppo did those.
Then you don't have to have a notch, which is
Yeah.
really cool. You slide it, you take your picture, and then you slide it down, you have a full screen. But did you know that that's where they put the microphone and the speaker for when you're talking to the phone? So
Yeah.
if you ever answer a phone call, you have to slide it open first before you answer it.
Really? It's kind of like a flip phone, but it's just like, hello, hello.
Exactly. So that sounds really obnoxious. The price is not obnoxious though.
No.
On it comes out to about $640 US for the big mother,
Yeah.
and if it's like a regular model, it's about 320.
So is it coming to the United States? It's Lenovo, which is
Possible.
Chinese.
They're going to start it in China first, but they say it's possible to come to the US.
Cool. I think that's awesome.